Welcome to ADIY. Today we will look into a Bluetooth module named ADIY HLK B50. This module has a wide operating voltage from 3.5 to 6 volts, a built-in 32-bit ARM Cortex-M 3-core, fast and stable Bluetooth serial port with transparent transmission, and the serial port baud rate can reach 921,600. Master-slave integrated Bluetooth BLE 5.0 can be set as master or slave. Let's go over the pin description of the HLK B50 module. The HLK B50 module typically comes with 6 pins. Here's what each of them does. First, AT enable. The AT enable pin is used to enable the AT mode of the module. Second, VCC power. This pin should be given the positive voltage, typically 3.5 to 6 volts. Third, GND ground. This is the ground pin, the reference point for the power supply. It connects to the negative side of your power source. Fourth, TX transmit. The TX pin is used for sending data out from the module to a microcontroller. Fifth, RX receive. The RX pin is for receiving data from a microcontroller. Sixth, state, that is status pin. This pin gives you information about the current status of the Bluetooth connection. It can indicate whether the Bluetooth is connected or not. We will integrate this module with ADIY UNO as our baseboard to see our Bluetooth module functionality. You can use any serial communication device like USB to TTL, etc. First, connect your UNO to your computer using a Type-B micro USB cable. Then in your computer, open Arduino IDE. Then go to File, New, Tools, Port. To verify which port is your UNO, go to Device Manager. Click on ports COM and LPT. You will see USB serial CH340 with the COM port number. Now select the respective port and click on the upload icon to upload your blank sketch into your UNO. Do the connection of your Bluetooth module and UNO according to this diagram shown. Make a parallel connection. That is, connect the TX of your Bluetooth module to the TX of UNO and vice versa. Your connection will look like this. Now plug in the UNO to your system. The yellow status LED of the Bluetooth module will illuminate to indicate power and Bluetooth connection, which has not yet been established. Afterwards, open Arduino IDE in your system. Click on Tools and select appropriate COM port. Now, open Serial Monitor. Set the baud rate to 115200 and set both NL and CR. Now, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and scan for nearby devices. You can see HLK B50 in both BLE and BT mode. Now click on BT1 and pair with it. Now, open the Serial Terminal app in your phone. Go to the Settings, Devices. Find your paired Bluetooth device to get connected. Once your Bluetooth module is connected, the external status LED will turn off and module LED will illuminate, indicating that you are connected. To exchange the data, go to your Arduino serial monitor and type any message and hit enter. Your message will instantaneously pop up on the app. To send data from your phone, type any message in your app and click send. Your message will instantaneously pop up on Serial Monitor. Now you can successfully send any customized message from the phone to Bluetooth and vice versa. Thank you from ADIY for watching this video.